Welcome back to our Primavera P6 Organizational Breakdown Structure (OBS) tutorial series. In the previous lesson, we created employee count 2, representing the Chief Executive Officer (CEO), who serves as the highest-ranking executive responsible for managing the organization's day-to-day operations and implementing strategic objectives. Today, we will continue building our company hierarchy by adding employee count 3, the Managing Director, MDG. The Managing Director is a senior executive responsible for overseeing business operations, coordinating organizational divisions, and ensuring that company objectives established by executive leadership are successfully implemented across the enterprise. In our example, the Managing Director position is occupied by Hiroshi Tanaka, who reports directly to the Chief Executive Officer, CEO. Within the organizational breakdown structure, this reporting relationship strengthens the chain of command and creates a clear management layer between executive leadership and operational divisions. When developing an OBS in Primavera P6, it is important to establish logical reporting relationships that accurately reflect how responsibilities flow throughout the organization. Each OBS position represents accountability and authority that can later be assigned to projects, resources, and organizational responsibilities. The Managing Director plays a critical role within the enterprise because multiple divisions, departments, business units, and project teams may ultimately report through this position. As we continue expanding our OBS structure in future lessons, many directors, department managers, and operational leaders will report either directly or indirectly to the Managing Director. Now let's create this position in Primavera P6. Inside Primavera P6, we create this position beneath the Chief Executive Officer node. This ensures that responsibility assignments follow the correct organizational hierarchy and that management accountability is properly maintained throughout the enterprise structure. You will also notice that the employee count has now increased from 2 to 3, indicating that our organizational structure is gradually expanding. This step-by-step approach helps us build a realistic enterprise-level OBS that can later support project governance, resource management, security profiles, and responsibility assignments. A well-defined managing director position improves organizational control, enhances communication between executive leadership and operational management, and supports effective project execution across the enterprise. In the next lesson, we will continue developing the OBS structure by adding another senior management position and further expanding the organizational hierarchy. Thank you for watching Daily Dose 24H. Learn, practice, and then excel. See you in the next Primavera P6 tutorial.
Daily Dose.